Shenzhen Chengguan Intelligent Ultrasonic Equipment Company Limited was located in Shenzhen City. The manager engaged in the industry has 20 years, which is the professional manufacturer focused on the field of ultrasonic plastic welding. So far, there are about 100,000 sets of ultrasonic plastic welding equipment produced by us, working diligently in factories all over the world. Also, we can provide the OEM and ODM services. We provide customers in various industries: ultrasonic welding equipment, ultrasonic lace equipment, ultrasonic cutting equipment, ultrasonic extruder, ultrasonic homogenizer, ultrasonic generator, ultrasonic transducer, and ultrasonic application tools, etc. Products are widely used in welding, extraction, homogenization, cutting process, and other applications in medical, plastic, metal, non-woven fabrics, food, rubber, packaging materials, and other industries. Good quality, variety complete. The price is reasonable, favored by customers. Our company continuously launches new products based on market and customer needs, always maintaining the novelty and innovation of the products to consider customer ideas and urgency. At present, we are more committed to providing overall ultrasonic system solutions for automation equipment. According to the different needs of equipment factories, combined with our industry experience, we develop and provide customers with solutions that are suitable for customers and lead the industry. We hope to explore and communicate with industry experts from all over the world, and we hope to grow rapidly with our customers. Based in China, we hope to become the world's leading expert in the ultrasonic plastic welding industry.